Hi, my name is Kevin.
Hi, my name is Daniel.
And my name is Alvin. Our project was to make an emulation of Pokemon using Snap. The game first begins with this screen, and you're allowed to pick 3 of the 5 separate Pokemon. So in this case, I'll pick Geodude, Bulbasaur, Charmander. You interact with the game using the arrow keys, and you're allowed to move in all 4 directions as long as you're not hitting one of the barriers like these things on the side. And you interact with the trainers using the spacebar or walking in their line of sight. This one in the middle is the gym leader. You're not allowed to fight with him yet because you have not defeated the other 2 trainers. So let's do that. We're going to walk in front of the first trainer, and when we have entered his line of sight, he'll run into us and challenge us to a battle. So this is a screen, and the trainer will send out a random Pokemon that has been generated elsewhere in the code from a different pool of Pokemon that the player can choose from. So this is the screen. There's 4 different things you can do. We can do fight, Pokemon select, item, and run. Run does not work in any of these battles, but we have the screen saying that you cannot run. So let's pick fight. When you pick fight, there are the 4 different moves displayed on the screen, the type of your Pokemon, the enemy type, and HP. So we're going to pick the first attack, which is tackle. When you pick tackle, the game will calculate how much damage based on the type of the attack, the type of your Pokemon, the type of the enemy Pokemon, and the strength of your attack to determine how much total damage is to be dealt. And the battle proceeds as so. And when you have defeated the trainer or brought their HP down to 0, they faint, and you are brought back to this screen. Now you have 1 win, and I need the other one in order to proceed to the gym leader. Another way to start a battle is to walk up to a trainer out of their line of sight and press the spacebar, like this. Then the tamer will challenge us to a battle and send out one of his random Pokemon. Another thing we have is the Pokemon select screen. When you press the spacebar here, a list of Pokemon that you chose originally will show up, and we can pick a different Pokemon to send out, such as Bulbasaur. The sprite will change accordingly to Bulbasaur, and the enemy will first attack. When you pick the fight screen, the moveset and types will update accordingly, and you can pick a different attack. Now that we've defeated the 2 trainers, we can face the gym leader. First, we have to walk up to the gym leader in any of the 4 directions and press spacebar in order to start the battle. He'll face us and start the battle. The gym leader will then send out one of his random Pokemon from a pool of different Pokemon, different from the trainers and the player. The last thing that we haven't shown is the item screen. The item screen will display how many potions that you are currently holding. At the beginning of the game, or upon a reset, you will always have 5. Using one will restore a certain amount of health. So you can see how Geodude's health went up now to 155. Then the fight will proceed as normal. If all of your Pokemon faint in one battle, you will lose the game. But if you defeat the final gym leader, you win the game. Critical hits have a 1 in 16 chance of happening, but can occur whenever you or the enemy initiates an attack. When you defeat the gym leader, you have won the game. You can press R to restart the entire program, which brings you back to the movement screen, and press C to bring back the Pokemon select screen and restart with 3 different starter Pokemon.